Hello all, and welcome to this next video on spatial and gray level resolution. This video is in continuation with my earlier videos on the concept of spatial and gray level resolution and example on spatial resolution. In this video, we intend to discuss on gray level resolution. So as we already know, gray level resolution depends upon the number of bits required to represent each pixel. So let us take this example where we have an 8 cross 8 image and we have to reduce the gray level resolution or intensity resolution such that new image will only have 16 gray levels. So here in the original image, how many gray levels do we have? Because the number of bits required to represent each pixel is equal to 8, which is given here in the problem. Your first 8 is number of rows, second 8 is number of columns, and this third 8 is number of bits required to represent each pixel here. So 8 bits are required to represent each pixel here in this image. So total number of levels possible in this image are 256, starting from 0 to 255. And in the problem it is given that we have to reduce the gray levels to 16. That means now in the new image there should be only total number of gray levels as 16. That is, it should range from 0 to 15 only. So we need to map 0 to 255 levels to 0 to 15. That means we are reducing the intensity range or gray level range. So let us see how is this possible or how can we do the mapping. So as mentioned, the original image has got 255, maximum intensity value will be 255 and total number of gray levels will be 256. In the new image, we require only 16 gray levels, that is the maximum gray level would now in the new image be 15. So let us call pixel in the original image as R and pixel in the new image as S. In the original image, the minimum and maximum pixel values are 0 and 255. In the new image, we want minimum value to be 0, but the maximum value now has to be 15 only. So as earlier said, 0 to 255 has to be mapped to 0 to 15. For doing this, that means for getting the new values in the new image, S will be equal to R multiplied by this constant. And what is this constant? Maximum minus minimum of the new image divided by maximum minus minimum of the original image. So this is the constant that we will multiply with the original pixel value to get the pixel value in the new image at location x, y. So by using this formula, in the original image, these were the pixel values. If you have observed, let us go to the previous slide here. So these are the pixel values in the original image. So these pixel values I have listed here in this column of R, x, y. And using this formula, in the new image, we will obtain these values of S. And these values of S are rounded off to get these values in the third column. So in the original image, if the pixel value was 0, in the new image, the pixel value will remain 0. In the original image, if the pixel value was 10, it will be mapped to 1. In the original image, if the pixel value was 150, it will be mapped to 9 in the new image. So this is the result of reducing the gray level resolution. So in the original image, the range was from 0 to 255. In the new image, it has now been mapped to 0 to maximum value of 15. So 255 becomes 15 here in the new image. That is how we can reduce the intensity resolution or gray level resolution. So this is it about spatial resolution and gray level resolution. In the next video, we will discuss about basic pixel relationships. Thank you.